Hey guys, this is Akansha and welcome to Tech Mastani. In our previous session, we have covered the use of oxidation in our fabrication process. In our today's session, we will going to understand some of the numericals problem. So do watch all the videos of oxidation to get the better clarity of these type of numerical. So these type of numerical can come in your prelims exam and also in important for the mains point of view. So let us understand it first. I have already covered so many formulas related to Deal group and also oxidation thickness. So please note down all those formula in one particular place and revise it thoroughly. Let's start today's session with first numerical problem. A silicon wafer as shown below is oxidized at 1000 degrees centigrade. Find X if the thickness of SiO2 formed is 1 micrometer. So in this problem, we have given the thickness of SiO2 and we need to calculate the thickness of wafer which is consumed. So it is a very simple problem. We know that the volume is consumed, silicon consumed is equals to 0.46 times of volume of SiO2 formed. So here we have taken a cuboid wafer, so the length and breadth will be same in both the cases, only the thickness will going to change. So the silicon consumed has the thickness of X and the volume of silicon dioxide formed has the thickness of TOX. Now we have our formula which I already covered. So X is equals to 0.46 times of TOX and TOX is given as 1 micrometer. So the silicon consumed in the question is 0.46 micrometer. So if you will grow 1 micrometer SiO2, you will consume 0.46 micrometer of silicon. Here 0.46 times of micrometer of silicon is consumed. So to solve this type of problem in mains exam, you need to write these steps to get the better marks. And for the prelims purpose, you just need to remember this formula. Simply put the value and get the answer. So now move to our second problem. It says a deep trench of 1 micrometer wide is etched in silicon as shown in the figure. The active area are marked by silicon nitride and it is thermally oxidized at 1000 degrees centigrade in steam to fill up the trench. Find X. So in this problem, it is given that this silicon, first of all, we have our full silicon wafer and we have etched this particular silicon and created a trench. So you can see here is a trench. Okay. Then after making this trench, which is of 1 micrometer, now we need to oxidize this wafer by our oxygen, by our water, sorry, by our steam. Okay, so after creating this trench, we need to oxidize it and fill it with the SiO2 by the oxidation process. So let us understand what happened. We know that if we will oxidize this particular area, so the SiO2 will form here. But we also need that the in this process silicon is also consumed. So some part of silicon dioxide will form here also and also here. So the total thickness of SiO2 will not be 1 micrometer, it will be greater than 1 micrometer. So we will consider the thickness of SiO2 here is X. So you can see here this is the thickness of SiO2 which will going to form by the oxidation process. And we wanted to fill the trench of 1 micrometer. So now let us understand how to solve this problem. We know that the volume of SiO2 formed is equals to length into breadth into X. So here length and breadth is equal. Only the X, which is the thickness of SiO2, will change. So the volume of silicon consumed here is L into W into X minus 1, because we know that the volume consumed is this and this. So this amount of silicon will also be consumed. So we know that the volume of silicon consumed is equals to 0.46 times of volume of SiO2 formed. Now we will equate these two, and after solving we get to know the value of X, which is 1.85. So to fill up the trench of 1 micrometer, we will grow oxide of 1.85 micrometer. So this 1 micrometer will fill this trench, and this 0.85 micrometer will cover the silicon also. So this is all about this particular problem. I hope you have understood this problem, and this is also a mains or as well as prelims point of view problem. You can solve it in a minute. Okay, so now let's move to our another problem. A silicon wafer of initially thickness xi is thermally oxidized for 1 hour, and total oxide thickness is found to be x. After further oxidation for 3 hours, total thickness is found to be 2x. Find x and xi. A and B is given in the problem. So this is a very good problem. It is a two-step problem. In the first step, we have our initial thickness. We know that the initial thickness is occur when the time is equals to 0. So at time is equals to 0, we have our initial thickness. After oxidation of 1 hour, we have our thickness of oxidation is x micrometer. So after 1 hour of thickness, we have our after 1 hour of oxidation, we have our thickness of 1 micrometer. And in the later part of the question, it is said after 1 hour of after 1 hour of oxidation, we will again oxidize it for the 3 hours. So after 3 hours, we have our thickness to be 2x. So this is a 3-step process. So now let us understand how we will make our equation. So I have told you one very important equation, which is Deal-Groove equation, which is TOX plus ATOX plus BT plus tau. In this particular equation, A and B is are constant. Also tau is constant, and T is the time of oxidation. So you can observe in this problem, we did not have tau value. So make sure we do not have, okay, let us understand here. So we will put T is equals to 0 for our initial thickness equation. So at T is equals to 0, our equation will be xi square plus ATxi plus B tau. Okay. So now we will see the equation for 1 hour of time. For 1 hour of time, our T is equals to 1. So I've also told you one more equation which is derived from these above equations. So which it is TOX square minus TSI square plus ATOX minus TSI is equals to BT. So see, in this equation we do not need tau. So we will use this equation for our calculation. So now we have, after 1 hour of oxidation, we have our thickness of x. It is given in the problem. After 1 hour of thickness, we have our oxidation thickness x, and our initial thickness is xi. A is given in the problem, and also time is equals to 1 hour. Also B is given in the problem. So this is our first equation. After this first equation, we will see what happened when T is equals to 3. So at T is equals to 3 hours, we have our oxide thickness 2x. So we will put oxide thickness 2x in this equation, and our at that time our initial thickness will be x micrometer. So our Ti will be x micrometer. A is given in the problem, B is given in the problem, and T is equals to 3 hours here. So we will put all these value into this equation, and we will get our equation. By solving this equation, we can get the value of x. So we have our x value. After this x value, we can put this x value into this equation, and we will get our xi value. In this way, we can calculate x and xi. Hope you have understood. This type of 2 to 3 step problem can come in your mains exam. Very important problem. Okay, let's understand next problem. Find the duration for which gate oxidation to be performed if the gate oxide thickness is 0.1 micrometer. Also find the initial field oxide thickness xi after the gate oxidation step. Total FOX thickness is 0.5 micrometer. A is equals to given and B is equals to given. See, this is a very nice problem. Let us see here. This is our MOS substrate. and this is our field oxide initially. Okay, after this we will oxidize this particular chip. After oxidation we will grow our gate oxide here. Okay, so in the question it is given that the gate oxide thickness is 0.1 micrometer and we need to calculate the time to grow this amount of thickness in the gate. Okay, so we can simply calculate this. At the same time, when the oxidation occur at gate level, also it will occur above this FOX. Okay, so above the FOX there is also a layer of oxidation. So after this type of oxidation, we have our FOX thickness which is given in the problem, 0.5 micrometer. Okay, but the time to grow this amount of oxide layer over the field oxide will be same the amount of gate oxide to grow. So this is the logic here, and we need to calculate the initial FOX thickness here. Okay, so I think you have understood the questions. Now let us see how to solve this question. So we have our gate oxidation thickness which is 0.1 micrometer. A value is given, B value is given, and also in this problem there is no initial condition mentioned, so the initial thickness will be 0. So Ti is equals to 0 here. Put these value into the formula and we can get the value of T which is 0.1137 hours. We can convert it into minutes by multiplying 60. So we have our 6.82 minutes to grow the gate oxide of 0.1 micrometer. Okay, so now the second part of the question, to calculate the value of FOX initial. So the final FOX value is given at is 0.5 micrometer. So we can put the value of TOX here which is 0.5 micrometer. The initial thickness we need to calculate here. A value is given and B value is given, and also time will be same as the time to grow gate oxide which is 0.1137. So you need to careful here that the time should be in hour, not in the minute. So we will put the hour value of time. After calculating this, we can get our xi value which is 0.472 micrometer. So initial field oxide thickness was 0.472 micrometer, and after oxidation the total thickness became 0.5 micrometer, and also at that time gate thickness become 0.1 micrometer. So this is all about this particular problem. Very nice problem, can come in your mains exam, and also a part of a question can come in your prelims exam as well. Now let's see the last question of today's session. A Locos process, in Locos process, initial paired oxide of 1000 angstrom is grown. There are active areas are masked, and wafer is further oxidized to so that total thickness become 5000 angstrom. Find the time required for growth of total thickness. So in this problem, in the Locos process, I've told you first we grow our paired oxide. After this paired oxide we deposit our silicon nitride. So silicon nitride will treated as a mask against oxidation. So if we put silicon nitride here, so there will be no oxidation, and now we will oxidize the surface. So apart from this space, every other possible space will be oxidized. So you can see in the diagram, this is oxide layer, this is oxide layer. So the initial thickness of paired oxide is given, it is 1000 angstrom, and the final thickness is also given which is 5000 angstrom, and also B and A value is given. So put this value into the formula and get the answer of T which is 92,000 minutes, and you can convert it into hours as well. So this is all about oxidation problem. Hope you understand all those problems. Please try to solve it by yourself so you can get the better clarity about this topic. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel.